When you create a new business or product or service, one of the first things that you're going to do is create a name for it. But you want to make sure that you don't go to all the time and effort of creating that name only to find out later that someone else has already registered that name as a trademark. So what I'm going to do today is show you a really handy website that you can use where you can check to see if that name or even logo design has already been registered by someone else. So let's go over to the computer and I'll show you that site. Okay folks, so this is the website I'd like to take a look at with you today. It's the World Intellectual Property Organization website and the address is wipo.int. So if you go to that website address, you then will have this page. We then need to click on Knowledge in the menu and Global Brand Database. We want to then click on Access the Global Brand Database. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to do two simple searches using this database. A name search and an image or logo search. We're going to search for a fictitious company that I'm setting up called Red Squirrel, and it's going to be a design company. So to search for any businesses which have the name Red Squirrel, it's really straightforward. You just go to the text area and you type in Red Squirrel. And we are also going to put into the goods and services that it is a design service. And we just hit search. And this is the results that we get. So we can see here, we've got Red Bull, we've got one's just called Squirrel, and we've got Green Squirrel, we've got Purple Squirrel, we've got Design Squirrel, lots of them here, but we do not have Red Squirrel. So it would be okay on the name with that, so which is great, that's exactly what we want. The next thing that we can do is we can actually do an image search to see if there are any logos out there with squirrels in them. Say we had an idea for a squirrel logo. So what you want to do is you want to clear your current search, which you can see here. You just click on the little check boxes and that clears the search. So what you do is you go to the image class section and we type in squirrel. And you'll see on this drop down, it gives us two choices. We've got just squirrels, or we can have a group. So squirrels, chipmunks, animals which are similar. For us, we just want to do a search on squirrels today. So if you click that, you'll see that it changes it into a specific number in the database. Then you click search and it gives us results, 123 pages of 30 results each page of squirrel logos. So you can actually have a browse through all of these to see what squirrel logos have been registered as trademarks. That will allow you to develop your own logo concept around a squirrel idea or image and not infringe on an existing one which is in the trademark database. And that's it. It's really simple to use and it will just give you a little bit more peace of mind that you can use the name that you're thinking of, or if it's the other way around, it stops you from wasting time and resources pushing forward with a name or a logo design that at the end of the day you're not going to be able to use because someone has already registered it as their intellectual property. So there you are folks, that's the WIPO website. It's a great way to do kind of a surface level check just to see if anyone's registered a name that you're thinking about using. I would always suggest though that you hire the services of a professional IP lawyer. They will do a full and thorough check for you to make doubly sure that the classification that you want to register that name in is free. If you've liked this video and found it useful, I'd really appreciate it if you could share it with your friends and colleagues on social media or by email. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and when you do, make sure you click on that little bell icon and you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. So until I see you next time, stay creative folks.